Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. It is another day in Tokyo and I have got something really cute planned for today. I have actually booked another Airbnb experience this morning and it is a cooking class where you learn how to make kawaii bento boxes. I am so excited. When I did homestay about 8 years ago with Yuma's family, her mum used to make me really cute bento boxes where like the rice was shaped like a tiger or like the little sausages were shaped like octopuses or octopi. Basically, a lot of Japanese mums will make these bento boxes for their kids when they are in school and they are just so freaking cute. So I'm gonna walk to Shibuya right now and then catch the train and then we're gonna go to the cooking class. So let's go! Kawaii food, kawaii food, kawaii food. I have been so lucky with the weather the past few days. Look at this, it is sunny and warm and beautiful. Actually, it is so hot outside. Hey guys, I'm back in Shibuya now. I am just going to grab a coffee at Starbucks at Tsutaya near Scramble Crossing because I want to show you guys the crossing from up here. So I have to get a coffee first and then I'll show you. Arigato. So I'm just at Starbucks now enjoying my iced latte because it's boiling outside. The crossing is just behind the camera, so I'll turn you guys around so you can see. It's nuts. So I think for the rest of the afternoon I'm just going to have a wander around Shibuya, look at some of the shops. It should be a nice afternoon. Hopefully I can stay cool because it's like 25 degrees today, which is ridiculous for spring in Tokyo this early in the season. So hence the iced latte. This happens every time I go into a cosmetic store. Last time I came here, Bershka was lime green and now it's So I just took some photos in Bershka. Lucky I practiced how to take photos of myself while I was in Australia, because it's way more awkward when you're doing it by yourself. Literally set up my camera and my phone as like a monitor and then took photos with my phone. There was people walking around and everything, but you know, when you're solo traveling, you just gotta make it work. You don't want all selfies on your trip, right? Okay, I spent way too much time in there. It's already nighttime. I really feel like sushi for dinner, so I think I'm gonna head to Genki Sushi. I went there last trip with Jess, and it's that conveyor belt sushi where it kind of, you order off an iPad and then it shoots the sushi at you. So I think I'm gonna go there just because I don't know whether I'm game to go try a random restaurant all by myself, and at least I know this one, so I'm gonna head there now. There's already a bit of a line. I'm literally sitting in the same seat that I sat in with Jess last time. How's that for lunch? The best part is that because I'm traveling solo, I didn't have to wait in line. Because you kind of sit at a bar. You can get a table if you come with a group of friends, but for a solo traveler like me, this is perfect. Whew, that was so yummy, and I'm glad that I came here on my own because the line was huge when I left. It was nice and quick as well, so now I can keep going for night. Hey guys, I'm back at my apartment now. I was just really tired after walking around in Shibuya all evening, plus it started to get really crowded. I mean, today is what, a Wednesday? Oh, I guess it's midweek, which is kind of reason enough for it to be crowded, but it was just like the crowded level was like white night in Melbourne. So I decided to head back to the apartment, but on my way I did stop off at Lush and picked up a couple more bath bombs, just because like I don't have a bath in my apartment back home in Melbourne, so I'm gonna make the most of the one that I have here. So I figured I'd get some more. Wow, you can smell them already. They're not even out of the bag. This one is kind of like a lavender unicorn horn. I just reckon it'll be really relaxing and really soothing, plus it's kind of glittery. It's pretty. Kind of looks like a witch's hat actually. And then a classic, I also picked up the Comforter. I do know the name of this one because it is my favorite shower gel by Lush. It's just super sweet. And yummy. Kind of smells like musk sticks if you ever had those as a kid. I also stopped off at a Family Mart on the way and got some of these, I think they're like cooling pads, but you put them on your feet and on your calves and it just helps to relax the muscles. I've never actually tried these ones before, but I've seen a bunch of articles on them, so I decided to give them a go because I have done a lot of walking in the past 2 days and my legs are just they're just wobbly when I walk. So I decided to pick these up to see if they help with that. So that is going to be it for today's vlog, guys. Tomorrow I actually have a free day to myself, so I'm thinking I'll either go to Daikanyama, Shimokitazawa or Sangenjaya. I haven't decided yet. They are just 3 neighborhoods which are sort of in Tokyo but outside of the central city, and they all have their own sort of a unique look and feel, personality, vibe. So I'm probably going to spend the day in one of those places. I just haven't decided yet, so you'll find out in tomorrow's vlog. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.